Hi friends, Horror Maker is with you. If you are already 13 years old and you are not afraid of horror stories, then you can safely watch this video to the end. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my wonderful channel and put your likes. Subscribe, not to miss anything. Today, I'm going to sculpt the next creation by Trevor Henderson. Can you guess what exactly? I've already made siren head, cartoon cat, long horse, country road creature, and today it's the turn of bridge worm. Here is one of the photos of a bridge worm. And here is the very first image of the worm that appeared in Trevor Henderson's Twitter. You can see on this photo a white, absolutely harmless creature with a sad face, which is lying on the ground. And there is such a photo where you can see the true face of the worm, which is just terrible. There is a story about a missing photographer named Thomas Piron. Sometime later, the last photograph made by Thomas was found. On this photo was depicted a real toothy face of the creature, inspiring fear. Judging by this picture, it became clear that bridge worm had killed the photographer. Bridge worm has a fake face that is attached to his back, and under it is a blood-red skin, toothy mouth and eyes wide open, looking in different directions. The hunting style of this monster is similar to the style of a spider. It can wait a very long time for the victim to move without movement, and as soon as it approaches him, he jumps out with great speed and immediately kills the target.
все.
Recently, the developers of the game Garry's Mod integrated the bridge worm into the game under the guise of SCP. Well, friends, the bridge worm is ready. I think it turned out to be terribly beautiful. And what do you think? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you all, friends. See you soon. Horror Maker was with you. See you. Bye-bye. Subscribe not to miss anything.